Just when you think you have secured every Range Rover in Essex, another one comes along. This awesome SVR is now secured with the immo.
Classic Range Rover Sport SVR in for the immo immobiliser. In your pack you get the emergency override, spare screwdriver and battery, our contact details. We're still doing a free tag, leather case and Faraday bag. So let me give you a quick demo how it all works. So this one will start and run. If you watch the gear lever, absolutely locks in park, cannot move it whatsoever. So I've just done a basic code, so I've left, right, flash of the hazards, and now we can select drive, back into park, and then we've got this one arm in on door open, so a little bit more convenient. So as you open the door, double flash, and now we're back secured.
Looking to get your car secured? Make sure you use a security specialist like Elite Car Security. Numbers in link below.